Okay, my desktop is down again because I was having problems with my browser and one of my friends, former friends, he's not he's gonna wake up, he's probably gonna see this and go, shit, because he knows who he is. I'm not even gonna name names, you know who you are. Uh, Told me to go to the Firefox forum. Let me tell you about the Firefox forum. It is complete shit. The official Firefox help forum has fallen off completely. It is unmitigated shit. It is crap. It is complete garbage. It is one of the worst troll forums on the entire freaking web now. And these aren't just little trolls. These are apparently dead desktop type trolls. Quickly spinning fans, dead desktop type trolls. So don't touch it. In fact, I heard Firefox is not doing so hot anymore, so just don't play with it if you don't have to. Which sucks because the only alternative is Chrome, which is basically spyware, and Infernal Exploder's son. Uh oh boy. Whatever it's called, NetNut. Windows 10. So yeah, he's gone. Another interruption on, doing this whole thing with the upload. I was staying up, I was watching, I was listening to my music, doing the uploads, and then I realized they don't sell tape players anymore. I'm like, you know what? Screw it. They don't make tape players anymore, they don't make Walkmans anymore. My Walkman just died, can't listen to my whole shelf of tapes. I'm gonna go watch some Microsoft Sim, try to clear my head. Glitches, of course. And I look up the guy. It's worse than before now. So I go look up the information the guy sent me, and then I go and I follow his exact instructions. I go on the forum to double check to make sure they're right, the one he provided, and I follow. Boom. Bye bye desktop. I can't do this anymore, guys. Why do you have to be pricks to me? Prickly, prickly pricks. Done. I'll get more uploaded when I can. Later. I don't know, this is probably gonna get age restricted. Later.